Hey, what's up you guys? Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually a little late, so I'm gonna make this quick. Today I'm going to be showing you a college day in my life where I just kind of take you guys through my day. For those of you who don't know, I'm a second year at the University of Virginia and I live in my own apartment now. Well, I live with other people, but like I live in an apartment now, so no longer in the dorms. I feel fantastic. I'm loving it here and I've really been settling in this past month. I know I didn't upload last week because two reasons. One, I've never been so busy in my entire life. I was like planning hour to hour what I had to do. Like that's how busy I was. And then also the video was just so bad. So not gonna waste your time, not gonna waste my time. Great. If you guys like videos like this, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new for more college vlogs and more college videos. Definitely a lot of content is coming soon. I'm gonna try and do these days in the life at least like twice a month. I really like them and I feel like they're always like kind of different, and also I want to try like doing a week in my life and see what that's like. So right now it is 10:05. I have to start getting ready at 10:30 for my 11 o'clock class because it takes me like 10-15 minutes to get ready, and I don't think I can do this entire application in 25 minutes, so let's do that right now. This application is for all of like the leadership positions in Chiiiiiii, which is my sorority that I'm in. That is due at 12:30 today. 12:30 today. And I can't use my computer at all in my 11 to 12:15 class, so I really have to have this done before I go. I just don't know how I'm gonna get this done, so I'm gonna work on that.
Hey, feeling good like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed.
Hi. Welcome back, Meganators.
Don't text. What are we're waiting for Megan to decide if she wants to go to a review session, like a good student would. Hi.
Difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls.
Alright everyone, I'm back from class. I had media studies today and I also had my environmental class, but the class is actually canceled today because we have a test next week and the professor wasn't here. We had a review session during that time in the classroom and everything, so I just went to that and it was actually really helpful. So I feel good about the test coming up next week, but I have like that test, an accounting test, an essay, 2 essays due, and a quiz. So next week's not looking so hot. Right now I just walked in the door, that's why I'm a little out of breath, but it's so nice outside today. It's like 70 degrees, it's fantastic. I am making waffles right now, just little toaster waffles, because I am gonna make like a turkey burger for lunch and everything, but I am so hungry that I just cannot even function. Those are currently in the toaster. They're the pumpkin waffles from Trader Joe's. I just bought them. So good.
Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So I just made lunch. It's leftovers and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna finish this, but it's just some pesto pasta, and then I added on a turkey burger that I made today from Trader Joe's. Watching Shameless, which if you haven't seen it before, it is so raunchy but so funny. I'm just gonna sit here, eat this, but I definitely need to do homework this afternoon. I think Matt and I are gonna meet up and do accounting, and then I also have to do econ homework for tonight for my discussion. I was gonna actually take a nap and then I couldn't sleep because it's really loud in here. So I'm actually headed right now to the rotunda to meet up with Kylie and Jasper because it is actually amazing outside. It's like 70 degrees. I want to say it's like almost 60. So so it feels fantastic. It's a little chilly, so I'm gonna throw on a sweatshirt and bring a blanket to do some work on the lawn. I'm gonna read, I think, and then maybe I'll do like some of my accounting homework or whatever, but it's just so nice outside. Why not go outside? It'll definitely make my mood better.
It's a celebration, baby, if you wanna.
I just got back studying a little while ago. I was just doing some reading for one of my classes that I was actually supposed to do today. Whoops. But I was just doing that outside because it's so nice outside. But I wanted to come back and eat something before my discussion tonight. I'm not too hungry right now, but I actually have to like clean up my room. If you can't see behind me, it's a royal mess. I also have an entire bin of laundry to fold from, oh, I don't know, like 5 days ago. So I definitely need to do that too. And then I think instead of watching YouTube videos, which is my first instinct, which would be really fun, I'm going to edit this video instead of doing schoolwork because I don't want to do that right now.
I think I want it. You say you got that money. You say that's all you do. And I don't know how you could hate on a player, ever hate on me. I'm kinda dope, a little ADD, but I've been making hella banging since age 17. My ex-girl used to say that she was steady dating this rapper, like that's all I'll be. So fuck that, think I'm gonna sing. So when she hears this song, she'll be like, who is he? Who is this? For real, who is this? Song is dope, who is this?
So I just finished cleaning. As you can see, it looks amazing in here. All the dirty clothes or clean clothes are gone, dirty clothes in the laundry, and like look at this. This is just the most satisfying feeling. Like look at that KonMari. Yes. I also have developed this really bad habit of getting a lot of my tops down when I'm like trying things on and just stacking them on top of my scout bin. So I have them all hanged up. Oh my god. I've actually really been loving the tops from Marshalls lately. Like these two tops together, I think were under $10 together. This is just like a super simple thin strap top. It looks exactly like the one from Urban. So if y'all are looking for some nighttime tops, definitely check out Marshalls. Tip for anyone who doesn't have ice cube trays in their apartment, or if you're in a dorm, definitely buy these little silicone ice cube trays, because last year I just had like this plastic one, which was awful because you couldn't get them out, but these you literally just like pop out. It's so easy. I just finished getting ready. I'm about to go head to my class. Got my iced coffee in hand because class at 7 o'clock. So I'm back from class a little bit early. So I changed, I got ready. I just really changed my top. This is the one that I got forever ago from a local thrift store. I was starting to edit this vlog and I noticed there's not a lot of like content in here. So I really wanted to share kind of like a life update, where I'm at, how school's going. I don't really know if anyone cares, so you can skip to the end if you don't care about this. But basically the past 4 weeks have been so crazy. I've had a ton of work. Last weekend, like I said, was really stressful with all the work. I've really been getting involved in like way more clubs than before, which is awesome because I'm going to try a lot of new things, but with that comes a lot of time commitments in a lot of different places. So it's kind of like I feel like I'm being pulled like 1,000 different directions all the time. Just like someone always needs something from me, plus like trying to make a video desperately each week, which clearly hasn't gone very well so far. But then also school is really important, and at the end of this semester and beginning of next semester, I'm applying to the comm school, which is basically here at UVA you apply to the comm school for business, and then within that you choose like a concentration or two, but that's the only way you can get a business degree from here. So that requires a lot of prereqs, like your GPA has to be really good, you gotta be involved, stuff like that. So I'm really just trying to make sure all my levels are covered. So obviously school comes first over any kind of video any week. School's been really stressful, but what hasn't been? I feel a different kind of overwhelmed this year than I did last year. Last year was just kind of like college is a lot, how do I get adjusted? This year it's just like having an apartment is like a whole nother level of responsibility, and I don't have a meal plan, so I have to cook for myself every night or like do the grocery shopping. I have to budget for that obviously, and then just like calling the internet people on a Wednesday night to fix your internet or figuring out a billing problem, or I don't know, it's just like a ton of stuff has been happening. So life's been a little crazy, but I like making videos. So I'm glad that I'm back making a video today. I will be doing an apartment tour soon, obviously not in this awful light, but it pretty much looks the exact same from when I did the apartment tour. The only real difference with my room is that I did these boards, which I'm obsessed with. I just kind of made each one differently. I really like it. And then the bed's the exact same. I think pretty much everything is the same, except I replaced that a couple weeks ago because mine, actually the floors in this apartment are like kind of slanted, so it actually like rolled into the wall, so that's not great. So that's just my one from home, but besides that, it's pretty much where I left it before. I'm gonna show you guys what my outfit is before I go, but I'm actually not wearing my hair in a braid. It's just to like kind of add a little bit more curl into my hair because right now it's just really frizzy. So I'm wearing this top from Free People. Well, it's originally from Free People. I bought it from a thrift store for like 20 bucks. It's super cute and just very comfortable. And I'm wearing this little star choker necklace from my FabFitFun box. These earrings are from Target, I believe. Oh, and life update, I should have included this before. I got my second hole, so that is really exciting. So it's actually a star earring at the moment. I don't really know if you could tell, which is very cute. In hindsight, I don't think it was the best decision just because it like kind of pierces my ear, so I have to like make sure I'm really turning it and making sure my ears are clean. So like that's kind of been a struggle because it hurts, but it looks cute. So what we do for beauty. Wearing these jeans from American Eagle. These are just their super high-waisted ones, and they're like a medium wash. They look really dark in here, but I guess they're like a relatively dark wash. And I'm wearing my very newly cleaned Nike sneakers that I just love. These are from Nordstrom Rack, and everyone needs a pair of just some white sneakers. I love these.
Get some subscribers. Hey. Don't text.
Let's take a moment here. This, I showed mine earlier today.
Marie Kondo in the flash.
Wait, you want to see all of them? Filing. Oh boy.
And then we got the pajama shorts.
Oh.
Then we have the shorts and the jeans.
Stop.
Then my pride and joy, the athletic club.
Oh.
Short shirts, sweatpants, leggings.
Oh
And
my
I
god.
have, like, this is my sock drawer.
Oh.
It's my messiest drawer. We also did a Marie Kondo. I literally didn't test these drawers last year.
We say don't text, but in this case,
We
do text.
because I love to organize.
do text because we love an organization.
We do.
Okay. Okay, ladies. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.